spite of the war, the bathing season has come round again, and some of London's leading mannequins drop in to tell us just what will be worn by the girl who likes to make her dip a frolic of foam and fashion. Well to the front is the model without a back. And although wartime has restricted the use of wool, there are plenty of suits in artificial silk and satin. They fit snugly and dry quickly. One-piece and two-piece suits are pretty well evenly divided in popularity, and two-piece suits are divided anyhow. For originality of design, brightness of decoration, and sheer all-round attractiveness, this year's model certainly won some beating. Very tasteful, very neat. Oh, very woof-woof, very chic.